Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2016 Chevrolet Impala Limited. The power steering reservoir is in the back of the passenger side of the engine bay. You won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to check the dipstick or to add fluid. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. You only need to push a single tab to remove the front wiper blades from the wiper arms. This will allow you to quickly and easily change out the blades. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You must use voice prompts in order to connect your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth. This can be an inaccurate system that will require multiple attempts to connect, which will be cumbersome and time-consuming. The battery is tightly wedged into the front corner of the passenger side of the engine bay. You will need multiple different sockets to disconnect the sway bar and a fuse box before you can reach either the bracket or the terminals, which won't make for easy battery replacements. You must take out the entire bulb housing to reach any of the headlights. This will require the removal of multiple different fasteners and will end up being a tedious process. Overall, the 2016 Chevrolet Impala Limited is a somewhat difficult car to maintain, but it should be a good fit for those with a bit of prior knowledge in vehicle maintenance.